Hey folks, Adam here, and are you ready to simplify your pool cleaning life? Well, I've got the best pool robot around, and this thing is absolutely fantastic with multiple suction zones, nice wheels, and this is going to go ahead and clean your pool for you. Even on a blustery day like today, I can go inside, have lunch, have a snack, and let this do the work for me. Now, it's got a very straightforward and easy design when it comes to cleaning it out. It is stylish and efficient, but the bottom line is that it works. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, some of the cool aspects to this is that dual motor design, and this thing is fast and has an extended runtime beyond the competition. They've put some big batteries in here, and that makes me very happy as well. So it seems to be just picking up dirt and debris very easily and straightforward, but boy, it's fast and it's getting the job done much faster than the competition. I gotta say, a lot of robot vacuums, they spend their whole time just bouncing around doing nothing, where this is actually working. Universal compatibility. This works on practically any type of pool, so you don't have to worry about the shape of the pool. That matters to me. And it seems to work on just about any surface. I'm talking fiberglass, concrete. I'm not having any issues. We've tested on a few different surfaces, and this thing does a great job with different surfaces. Of course, those dual motors are making it go fast, and it is just an efficient way to clean. I'm very happy with it overall. I'm also very happy with the smart parking. Yeah, this thing will go ahead and park on the side of the pool when you're done. And what does that mean? It means it's easier for you to get. When the battery is low, it'll go ahead to the side of the pool. That means you're not swimming in the middle of the pool to get it. All right, folks, now it's time to look and see what we got inside after our cleaning. So it's a good chance to look at the filter itself. You can see very straightforward, really getting even that finest of debris down to the size of a grain of sand is able to be filtered through the system. And it's a washable filter, so that's nice. We'll show you that. That you can just rinse it off. You're not replacing it with expensive filters, that sort of thing. You get the idea. And then let's look inside. Woo, that is dirty. So very nice. And what you're gonna do, excuse the camera there, doing it one-handed, is you're just gonna rinse it out. And you can rinse that out very easily and get all that dirt and debris out of there. Two hands, you'll get it a little bit better. And yeah, very nice. So you're able to clean that out. And again, we went from a lot of dirt and debris to rinsing it out very easily. All right, folks, we even did some testing where we threw some heavier items into the pool, and we wanted to see if this would catch it. We decided to do this kind of in a test facility to see how it would do. And you know what? Those heavier items, they sunk right to the bottom. We put them fairly close together, and we just let the robot do what it do. So let's see if it caught it. Okay, so I go ahead and open this up. This is pretty cool. So you can see, let's get these in here. We do have a keychain, a couple of these things. Ooh, that would have been uncomfortable to have. Keychain, a couple of those things. Whatever this metal guy is, this guy. So it'll work with even larger items, and that's good. Got a keychain. And looks like a valve stem cover. So yeah, lots of stuff that I was able to get out of here, including the dirt and debris. So very nice. And let's go ahead and show you the after. Did a good job when it comes to cleanup. Oh yeah. So very straightforward. All right, folks. So again, go pick this up. All right, let's wrap it up. So there you go, folks. I'm a big fan of this device. It is efficient. It does a great job cleaning, and we got so much dirt out of the pool. It's like I have a brand new pool. Very happy with this. You're gonna wanna go ahead and pick one up. And I have to ask you, what are you waiting for? This is the best of the best. Go ahead and pick it up so you can forget the rest. You know I love and appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? Get to shopping.